Today, I want to share with you a simple yet powerful technique for attracting what you need without much effort. This method is so effective that you'll no longer feel anxiety about finding solutions. When I first discovered this technique, it completely transformed my understanding of the power of thought and the law of attraction. This method was developed by Jose Silva, who initially taught it to his children in school. He wasn't a professional psychologist or scientist in the traditional sense. He was a radio engineer. It was his technical mindset and interest in the workings of the human brain that led him to develop a unique mind control system, which later gained worldwide recognition. The origins of the Silva Method. Jose Silva dedicated more than 20 years to studying the human mind and subconscious. His research aimed to understand how to harness the power of the mind to achieve personal goals, improve health, find inner peace, and solve everyday problems. The result of his work was the world-renowned Silva Method, which combined elements of meditation, visualization, and concentration techniques. Originally, Silva developed his method to enhance his children's academic performance. However, over time, the technique gained global popularity. Prominent figures like Louise Hay, Richard Bach, Deepak Chopra, Robert Stone, Madonna, and even some presidents have practiced the Silva Method. Personally, this technique has helped me fulfill many of my desires and realize my purpose. I am sincerely grateful to the universe for this remarkable person and his contributions. The glass of water technique. Simplicity and effectiveness. One of the easiest yet most versatile techniques of the Silva Method is the glass of water technique. It's so simple that you can practice it every day. You can use this technique to get answers from the universe. Choose the best option among several. Find a way out of a difficult situation, clarify your goals, or even improve your health. This method doesn't require special skills or equipment. Just a glass of pure water and your intention. The essence of the method is straightforward. Water becomes the carrier of your request or intention. When you formulate your desire, your subconscious begins to search for solutions, analyzing information even during sleep or rest. This isn't magic, but a psychophysiological process based on focused attention and activating the brain's hidden resources. Why water? The science behind the practice. Water is not just the source of life, but also a symbol of purification and renewal. It possesses unique properties, including the ability to store and transmit information. While water itself is neutral, it can accumulate energy and intention. Many ancient rituals involved water for this reason. By speaking to the water, you can attract anything you desire into your life. Our subconscious mind is the link between us, God, and the universe. It already knows the answers to all your questions. You just need to hear and recognize them. This is where the glass of water technique shines. It gives your subconscious a clear command to find a solution beyond the limits of logical thinking, which is often constrained by time and space. How the technique works on a cognitive level. From a scientific perspective, the glass of water technique can be explained through the workings of the brain. The subconscious is a powerful tool that processes information in the background. When you clearly formulate a request while holding the glass of water, you create a strong mental anchor. This anchor helps your subconscious prioritize the task. During sleep and relaxation, when the conscious mind is at rest, the brain continues to work actively. This is when the subconscious processes data and finds unexpected solutions, explaining the phenomenon of sudden insights or moments that often occur in the morning or during relaxation. Step-by-step guide to the glass of water technique. Prepare your glass of water. Use a clear glass, as it symbolizes purity and clarity. Fill it with clean, fresh water. Set your intention. Hold the glass at the level of your solar plexus, gripping it between your thumbs and index fingers of both hands. Formulate a clear, specific request. For example, how can I find a solution to my problem? I want clarity on this issue. How can I easily and quickly quit smoking? How can I find a new job with a salary of $2,000 per month? Charge the water with intention. Close your eyes, direct your gaze slightly upward, and slowly drink half of the water while repeating, "This is all I need to do to find the solution to my question." You can say this aloud or silently, but do it mindfully, keeping your request in mind. Let go of the problem. After this, stop thinking about the issue. You've handed it over to your subconscious for processing. Leave the glass by your bed. Place the remaining water near your bed. Before sleep, mentally repeat your request once more and fully release the problem, trusting your subconscious. Morning ritual. Upon waking, drink the remaining water immediately and say, "This is all I need to do to find the solution." Pay attention to the first thoughts that come to mind. This is when insights and new ideas often emerge. Why the glass of water technique works. Many people who have tried the glass of water technique report its effectiveness. Some find answers to complex questions, while others experience inner peace and clarity. One person used this method to make a career decision and woke up the next morning with a clear understanding of what path to choose. Another example involves a woman who, after practicing the ritual, felt unexpected relief and confidence in resolving a personal issue. I personally practiced this method and was amazed at how simple yet powerful it is. The key is not just the ritual itself, but your trust in the process and openness to the answers your subconscious can provide. The glass of water technique is a simple yet powerful tool for working with the subconscious. It's accessible to everyone and doesn't require complicated techniques or equipment. The most important elements are your intention, belief in the process, and readiness to trust your inner wisdom. Try this practice today and observe the results. With this ritual, you'll find the key to solving your most pressing questions and unlock new horizons for personal growth.